we are going to create U chart using Excel. U chart stands for defect per unit. Whenever you have a defect category type, you can use U chart or C chart. C for count and U for defect per unit. And here what we are going to do it is that we are going to create one complete sample under 10 minutes. You will be amazed that exactly how Minitab offers the solution. Exactly, you can do it in Excel also as well. The only thing is that you have to remember this formula. Using this formula, you can create similar U chart as such. When I say similar chart, you can create the same result as such. For example, let's say now, if you look at here, 7.64 is the lower control limit. And exactly Excel, we got the same thing, right? And Minitab says that 12.35 is the average. So exactly